Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID is not recognizing face. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Face ID is not recognizing your face, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app, go to general, and here just go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There is no any pending update for your software. If you find this, try to update your software. After updating software, just go back from here and you have to go to the Face ID and passcode section, enter your iPhone passcode, and you can also try to reset your Face ID and then reset up your Face ID so it will help your Face ID to recognize your face. Or you can also try to clean your in-depth or your front camera to get better results, or you can also try to make a full reset with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to make a forced restart, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So it might be that your issue has been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go ahead to your settings app here, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and you have to try to reset all of your phone settings. Sometimes it might be that there's an issue with your iPhone settings which is preventing to recognize Face ID or face. Or you can also try to contact with the Apple support team. So now to do that, you have to simply open your Apple support app, select iPhone from here, select this more option, select Face ID, and here you just have to wait for the loading and then just select this get more help option, then tap on callers. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to dial. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.